Welcome back to my channel. We will discuss the text join function with a twist of if formula in array condition. And there's some bonus formula at the end of this video. Okay, let's start it now. So for now, do this. Okay, names and manager, or let's say year. Okay, so let's put Ronnie, the year 2019. Do the average pay for Ronnie in the year 2020, average ifs, because we're going to use two conditions. This will be a total of 5 arguments on this formula. Okay, let's go on what is the data that we will average. We will get the average. So first is the column D, lock it, then by the name, then lock the cell, and by the year of 2020. Okay, let's see if it is dynamic. Yes, it is dynamic. Okay, for the year 2019 and for the year. Okay, so that's a sample of average pay by the names and by the year. So for now, I would like to get the average pay for all the names under the year 2019 by not manually typing them or by not using unique. Because if we're going to use unique, this is a random names under different years. As you can see in our dataset, we have Kevin on 2019 and then we have Kevin on 2020. Okay, so we're not going to use the unique function. For now, let's do some if function. If, since we are going to use the category of the year, let's go for the column C, lock it, comma, and then choose the cell of 2019, or you can type it. You can type 2019. Much better if you will choose this one. Okay, lock this one because we're going just to stay to that cell. Then next, what will be the result if this is true? Oops, sorry, equals to 20. Okay, so column C is equals to this cell 2019. So what will be the result if this is true? Okay, we are going to have the names. Okay, then lock as well, then close it. Okay, so the result is Kevin. However, we need the list of name under the 2019. Okay, so paano natin gagawin yun? Or how? Or what formula are we going to use para mapalabas yan? There's a lot, but for now, we are going to use the text join function. Text join function, okay, look at this, text join. Okay, let's have a sample here. Text join, ito is to combine the text from multiple strings or arrays. Okay, so since array yung gagamitin natin dito para mapalabas lahat, si text join ang gagamitin natin. Text join, delimiter or yung magko-combine sa dalawang letter is, gawin natin is si comma. Then, ano ba yung kukunin natin? Yung names. So, let's get the names. Then, F4. Oops, sorry. I forgot. There's a, condition here. Ignore if empty. So, kung empty, like, let's say may space dito, ignore ba niya yon? So, for now, let's say false. Okay? And then let's put an empty cell here. Yeah. As you can see, there's a double quote or double comma between these results. Okay? So, these are the results on our text join. So, ayun yung reason bakit need natin i-true. So, yeah. Wala na yung double comma in between. Okay, so paano natin siya idudugtong dito or how we can include that on our if statement. Okay, so watch and learn, guys. So text, let's get this one. Let's get this function. Control X or Command X with the Apple or Mac. So text join, the delimiter, double quotation mark, comma. For the next condition, let's say true to ignore the empty. Then the text is our if function. Okay? Yun yung result natin earlier. Yung dito sa sample natin. So, yun yung kukunin natin text. So, let's close this one and then hit enter. There you go. So, this is the result. Tama ba to? It's 2019. Si Kevin, Ronnie, Max. That's wrong. Yeah, we have Max in 2019. We have Maritoni. We have Craig, Zasha, 2019. No. So this is wrong pa. So paano natin magiging tama ito? Sa Excel, ang kailangan natin gawin is the curly bracket. In the very beginning and the end. Oops. Curly bracket, shortcut, or the array formula is Control-Shift-Enter. But, yeah, there you go. Kung makikita nyo, may false, false, may mga lumalabas. So, I hit Control-Shift-Enter. That's the shortcut key for array formula. But you can type array formula. And that will be result. However, hindi ito yung gusto natin palabasin. As you can see, Kevin, Ronnie, false. Yung third was 2020. And then Max is 2019. Then false. Yan. So, yun. So, for now, let's correct that false message. Gusto natin palabasin yung mga names lang talaga. Okay? So, to correct that one, dito sa ating if statement, dudugtungan lang natin ang comma and then the space or the blank. Then hit enter. There you go. See? So, ito lang yung mga names na under 2019. Kevin and Ronnie, Maritoni, Max. So, since ito blank, hindi siya lumabas. Max, Craig, and TJ and Visceral. So, these are the names na yung need natin. So, napalabas na natin, guys. That's how we can use the text join function in array condition or array formula. So, we have a bonus formula that I will show you. So, paano natin siya ma-enumerate dito? Or I mean, yung ganito yung itsura niya. So, we have two formula that we will be using. Transpose formula, transpose, and split formula. Okay? So, let's split first by comma. Yung mga comma na yan. So, how? So, ito na yung result natin. Split, open parentheses. At the end is yung delimiter, which is the comma. Then, close it. After ma-close yung formula, that's the result. Pwede na, hiwa-hiwalay siya. Pero, paano natin siya gagawin ganito? So, madali lang yan. Let's use transpose. There you go. So, pag gumamit kayo ng transpose, lahat na nakaganon is magaganto. Lahat na naka-horizontal magiging vertical. Then, vice versa, lahat ng vertical magiging horizontal. So, sample natin. Transpose this one. See? Then, let's get the average pay of these names sa category ng 2019. So, average by the year, average their pay first. By the year, choose the cell, lock column A for the names, then this one. Just lock the column J so that we can drag the formula. Let's get this format. Okay, so that's pretty much of it. So we have used the ifFunction, Textjoin function, Arrayformula, split, and transpose. Okay, this is dynamic din pala guys. If you will use 2020, babala natin itong formula. 2019. Nag-error kasi walang data. We can remove that and I will show you on the next video. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave your like and hit the subscribe button for the next video. Bye-bye.